Ready?
Sure.
Hi guys, Shamil here. New order glass. This is my son Amir. And we have a box here.
Big box.
We actually got two boxes. And this box came from Marcy. You know Marcy?
Yeah.
No, you
No,
don't.
I don't.
Marcy is a company that makes Marcy tapes, Marcy moldings, PUGM moldings. Underside moldings are great. PUGM 6 is my favorite molding. You know that?
I never knew that.
Yeah, that's my favorite molding. It does magic. Sensor Gel QC4. You know what's that for?
No.
There's a sensor for your windshield wipers, and you put a gel so it works. And they make that too.
Oh.
So they sent me two boxes, and I had these boxes for how long now? 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And I didn't open them because I want to make a video with you.
Yeah.
All right, so let's open first one. Let's see what's going on here.
Okay.
And this box was sent to me Marcy, and it was Curtis. I met Curtis a month ago. Very nice guy. We spoke. We had a lunch. Oh, hold on. Well, why is it like that? Hello.
Huh?
Exposing the. There you go.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Whoa.
Let me see what's in.
This already feels like Christmas already.
Yeah, look at the background. Didn't you say a Christmas tree?
Yeah. This already feels like Christmas.
All right.
Can't let that hit.
Let's see what's in this box. Let's not hit the camera. All right. Whoa.
Whoa.
What we got in here? All right. So what is this? This is a window. Oh, this is a window guard. Number is ME300. Put it here.
Okay, let's put it.
Yeah, ME300.
Yep.
All right. That's cool. That's cool.
Next.
We got all the brochures of our
A
mold.
box and another box.
This is a box. This is a. Oh, there you go. PUG. Which one is this? 3.
Yeah, this it's like a box and another box.
Yeah. So when I met Curtis, he said that the most active molding that they sell is PUGM 3. I use PUGM 6. I love that one. But this is 3. Yeah.
Whoa.
See, this is a girl.
It's a wire.
Yeah, it's like 6.
It's a wire.
Yeah, but you got the little lip. I don't know if you see it here, but yeah, this is a PUGM 3. Uh-huh.
I found this.
What is it? Oh, this is Quick Cure.
And I also found
I made a video about this, and that's how I met
I found
Curtis
this.
and Marcy. Yeah, oh, look at the extra nozzles. They saw my video. They were very happy that I did it. And I like the product, so that's why I made the video. And they sent me, look, they sent me more. This is a part number, if you're interested, right here. This is a QC4. And they sell extra nozzles. That's actually good, because if you have a...
Because if you run out, you just get
Yeah,
extra.
because you use this and you always have leftovers, and you could just buy nozzles. So the part number for nozzle is QCN. Let me see. QC. I don't know if you see it, but it's QCN.
Okay.
All right.
Duct tape.
Duct tape. This is a.
You use that a lot.
Well, this is not a duct tape. I mean, this is a tape when you install the windshield.
Yeah, you
It
use
doesn't
it all
leave-
the time.
Yeah, you to hold the glass in place. It doesn't leave any marks. Look at that tape. See?
It's very sticky.
Yeah. So this is a Marcy tape part number. ME4400. If you're interested, ME4400. Yeah, and it's already pre-cut, so there you go. Please. See, it's already ready. You don't need more than that.
That's all you need.
It feels strong too. Look at that.
Oh my god, you can't.
Look, it stretches. Yeah, this is definitely strong.
This is that.
Definitely strong. So,
If it's so high, you could just stretch it.
Yep.
Like, I'm gonna stretch it. Okay.
So part number ME4400. All right, what else we got here?
Ooh, I found another box.
This is another
I found
gel quick cure, but this is a. Oh, this is not a gel. This is a pump and nozzles. Hold on. So okay, that's actually good too. So pump and nozzle is QC12. Additional parts for your syringe sensor gel. Nice.
I found 2 boxes in here.
This right here, I love using this. This attachment tape. ME5512. I personally use this. And this is good. if the
Can I sit
bottom,
somewhere?
yeah, this is if like a Volkswagen windshield, the bottom trim comes off, you could use this.
Can I sit down somewhere?
Yeah, sit on me right here.
Oh my god.
All right, so yeah, this is good tape right here. I recommend using this.
I found this.
Oh, this is foam core butyl. Oh, this is for a butyl. I don't use butyl, so
It's your first time, right?
yeah. Let me see. Let me open this. So if you do a lot of old cars and you use butyl foam to block it, I guess that's what it is. Let me see. How do I open
This
this?
is weird. You ripped the box. You ripped the box.
Hey. Oh, this is a butyl itself. Yeah. So if you need a butyl, Marcy makes butyl tape. Yeah, you know this is glue. I mean, it doesn't dry. It's always sticky. See that?
Oh!
Yeah, butyl.
So
All right, part number is. Where's the part number?
part number.
You don't have a part number?
Right here.
No, that's a 8. Oh, there you go. Good job.
I found part number.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Part number ME810B. ME810B. If you need a butyl tape. I'm gonna put all the parts in the description so you guys know what to order if you need them. Definitely try Marcy products.
Or links.
It's a small company that does big things. And look at that. They send me extra tape. That's
Wow.
another tape to hold the windshield down. And this is a black tape. And
I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
Just showing everybody your new tool. This.
All
So
right.
I got this from Holiday.
Yeah.
Now I gave it to him.
Yeah, he gave me a little present.
It's a little bottle cap to open
It's
it.
a bottle opener with a couple.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. So thank you.
Yep.
All right, so let's get back.
Okay.
So we have this black tape.
Yep.
It's a Marcy tape. Marcy started with tapes. We started
Yeah.
making tapes.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. This is came out from this. Okay. Never mind. It came out of here, I think, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it came here. So the QC12, it was a syringe. So yeah, I made a mistake. I guess the bag ripped a little bit. Yeah, that's the bigger one. Comes with 3 nozzles.
The other one
This is
is
the one I
much
made a
smaller.
video about. QC12. When you get, it's a little bit more money, but you get a lot more gel.
The other one is more smaller.
Yeah, more extra nozzles for wow.
Oh.
Thank you, Marcy.
I also found this.
This tape, this tape, that's what I used to, either clear or orange one. I love these things. Everybody knows in the water glass business what these tapes are. Very good. More gel. Wow.
I
I'm
also
gonna
found
be doing a
something.
lot of gels. Look at that, another gel. Alright.
Oh my god.
Alright. And we got all the product stuff, how to use tapes and stuff. This is
Another big
Quick
box.
Cure. Yeah, this is how to use Quick Cure. I have a video about it on my channel. I'm gonna put a description below.
And links.
And this is a molding, and this is PUGM 7. Where's your scissors? I'm gonna look at it.
Okay.
Never mind.
They're right there under
It's
the...
open. It's open. It's open. It's open. So PUGM 7 is
That.
it's the tape. It's an underside molding, very wide, and it's rubber actually, so it's very thick and flexible. So it's strong and flexible with the sticky tape, double-sided tape. This we could use on what? What cars do you think we could use it on?
Oh, BMW?
You think?
Yeah.
I could probably use it on BMW. Hey, camera, why is it losing? Alright, so that was...
Also in the
first-
description of my channel. Because I have my own channel anyway.
Alright, hold on, let's
Okay.
get another box.
Box
So that was
number
first
2.
box. I
Now
got another
second
box.
box.
We got another box. Oh.
Oh! Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is huge.
Let's open this box.
Oh my.
Hold on, this, yes.
So cool.
Alright, let's see what we got in here. And here.
La la la. Ooh la la.
Back.
Ooh la.
Oh, these are the moldings.
The moldings you were talking about.
Yeah, these are the moldings.
This
Alright.
is only the big box. This is
Yeah,
just
this molding here.
2 moldings. 3
This-
moldings.
Let's see, this molding here is actually flexible for the corner. Marcy molding. Here you go, I'm gonna show you guys.
Here's what this
Yeah,
looks
this
like.
molding here is an underside molding, and when you make a angle, it bends easy, and you can make the angle, the corner.
Yep.
So you don't have to cut it and do stuff. It's good molding here, very soft.
Very
Has a-
flexible.
Yeah, it's very flexible, of course. Has a little bit butyl inside, so it sticks to the windshield.
Yeah.
And the part number of this
Second.
will be M7. Oh, this is an M7.
Yep.
So this is gonna be right here. This is this one right here. So we got this one right here. This one M7 molding.
It's coming out anyways.
Thank you, Marcy. Thank you, Curtis.
Wow.
Oh, there's another one here.
And there's another one,
This is also flexible for the corners.
but more bigger.
Yes, this is M19. This is a very popular one. This is the one a lot of people use because you can use this on almost any car that needs a top molding. Hondas, Nissans, or whatever like that needs a top molding. This is definitely great. And this is a flexible. You can make a nice. See that? See how it's look? If this was a windshield, it will be bent, and look. See how it makes the shape?
So cool.
Yeah, so this is a M19 molding. Also cool.
Yeah. The fillings coming out.
And this one, last box in the box, is M10.
Wait.
This
Can I
is
see it?
this is a M10 molding.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is an M10.
M13 is the biggest one.
M31.
Yeah, 31. It's the biggest one.
M10, let's get it out. Let's show everybody what kind of molding is this.
Oh my, this is cool.
This is also underside molding, but it's a little bit thicker. Oh, my back. Why my back hurts? All right, so this is an M10 molding. I can't open it now. I need to open this. There's a tape on it. The Marcy tape. So Marcy sent me, right? Anything else?
If you leave thumbs ups, we can open this.
So tell them like the video.
Yeah, so if you like the video, we're
Tell
gonna
them-
open it.
Tell them buy Marcy moldings and tapes and quick cure,
Yep,
right?
yep.
Use Marcy products. It's a small company, but does big things. A lot of great products. I personally use Marcy, so I will not say it's a great product if I don't use it.
I probably think you're doing the thumbs up right now.
Yeah, you think so? Thumbs up, thumbs up.
We need those thumbs.
What else? Yeah, thank you, Marcy. Thank you very much. I had these boxes for a couple of weeks. I was just wanting to make a video with my son, do open box video, and we're here on the couch. So it's a couch video.
And
We got a
Christmas tree in the
tree.
background.
And Marcy gave us an early Christmas. Actually, I got a new Christmas. Yeah. Stop touching that tree. So,
They want us to open it.
tapes. Marcy is, that's how they started with tapes. Marcy tapes. Gray tapes, orange or clear one. This is the black one, MC1008-200. I definitely want to try this one and this one. Because all I use is these. The orange one or the clear one. Don't
Yeah, I
matter-
saw you use them all.
Yeah, it don't matter which one, what color, it's just whatever they have at the warehouse. I always tell them give me either clear or orange. I love these things. So, but I want to try these.
They want us to open this, seriously.
Butyl, yeah, Butyl. New cars, we all know don't use Butyl, but back glass on a Ford F-150 is a Butyl required. So that's good to have Butyl in stock. And I did not know Marcy has Butyl, so now we know Marcy makes Butyl. And part number for Butyl is ME810B. Again, I'm going to put all these part numbers for each product in the description below. I'm going to put the Marcy website description below. Definitely check it out. One more time, use Marcy products.
Papa,
Why?
they want us to open.
You want to open it? Okay, let's see. He wants me to open it.
Yeah, I got it from him.
Yeah, he got it for me.
So how would they shop?
It's a can opener.
And-
It's a keychain.
And it
And
has
it
drills.
has, yeah, for the screwdriver.
Yeah,
These are actually good. I actually need them because I lose them all the time.
yeah. And it's a safe
Yeah,
compartment
look,
in there.
yeah.
So you could just so you can't lose them.
I won't lose them. I'm gonna keep
Because
it.
they're in the
I'm gonna keep
compartment.
this in my van. I'm gonna open.
And it also says his dad on it.
Yeah. Don't drink and drive, even though I have this.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Let's go over another. So this is a PUGM 3. No, this is not PUGM 3. This is PUGM 7. Yeah, this is a great molding too. It's very strong. Yep, I like this molding. Personally, I use PUGM 6. PUGM 6 is great if you work in a Jeep Wrangler and somebody scratched it already and they have to redo it. That PUGM 6 molding around, because the material and the size of it is perfect. It covers all that. Top moldings for Dodges and stuff like this, since Chrysler don't use top molding. But if it was replaced before and you want to cover all that because you got to prime it, that worked great with PUGM 6. And PUGM 3 is also works for that too. So PUGM 3 moldings by Marcy. PUGM. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it. That's how you say it. PUGM. PUGM. Yeah, right? Great! Yeah, these are great moldings. Especially, thank you for all these quick cure products.
It's like it's like
What
an
happened?
early
Why am I
Christmas-
keep losing the... There we go.
It's like an
There's the
early-
nozzles here. Why am I keep losing it?
Okay.
Hey, there we go.
That's it.
Yeah, I don't know
It's
why.
like a magic trick.
Yeah, camera does that. So, thank you, Marcy. Say thank you, Marcy.
Thank you,
Marcy.
Marcy.
Yeah. Now you know how Marcy products, what they do?
Yeah, because you just described everything.
Yep.
Everything.
And great products. So they get thumbs up. There's a thumbs up. Marcy thumbs up. And well, thank you for watching the video.
Bye.
Why am I keep losing the focus? Hello. Here we go. Thank you for watching the video.
Bye.
Use Marcy products. Subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming. Thank you again and have a nice day.